We have a new contest on the platform, this time for both the free and the pro users, but the pros are gonna have it a little bit easier. This is a quick update video, not a regular video on this channel, so take note and don't ask what happened to my nose because it's not from boxing. First off, we have a new 30-day 3D challenge on the platform. We partnered with Spline and they will give 3 yearly licenses to the best 3 people that we'll pick. You can find all the contest rules in an article in the description. We also passed 15,000 designers registered on the platform, and this is really just mind-blowing. We added the ability to follow or to leave regular comments, and the AI bot is now giving feedback daily to all the pro users. And next to that, we try to give human feedback every single day for most of the pro users, meaning that if you upload every day, chances are that most of your projects will get commented by me or somebody from our team. And that feedback, combined with the guides that the pro users already have, has proven to be the fastest way to grow the skills. We also launched a yearly ultimate plan that combines the existing pro plan with access to all of the paid courses. So far, it's been especially popular with companies who want to upskill themselves or their designers, and they usually go for the boring UI course first and then follow up with the web design courses. And best thing yet is that they can actually upload some of their ideas that they're working on in their business to the platform, and they can get feedback from us. That's like having an experienced designer on your team in just that pro subscription. Some individual non-business users also got it, and some told me that they got their boss to pay for this, which is a pretty good idea. And next to that, we're gonna be soon launching a lot of other new stuff on the platform, including monthly giveaways to the pro users, which will make this value of the pro plan completely insane. Yeah, I know, this is nuts. No, it's taking longer than I expected. Just the daily human feedback alone is worth going pro for, and there is just so much more other stuff. And you know what? We're just getting started. If you don't have an account, go create one for free, link in the description, and have a beautiful day.